Hello, my name is David. Welcome back to my channel, where I share all things finance, business growth, and success. Today's video is for parents, moms, dads, caregivers, anyone juggling family life and still dreaming of financial freedom. I'm sharing real passive income ideas that you can start while managing your kids, whether they're napping at school or watching cartoons. Everything I mention is family-friendly and beginner-friendly. All the helpful tools and links are down in the description. And if this sounds like your kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any future uploads. All right, let's dive in. Tip number 1, create and sell digital printables. Things such as chore charts, meal planners, homeschool worksheets, or even bedtime routines. These are things you're already using as a parent. So why not design them once and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad? You don't need to be a designer. Use free tools like Canva to design, upload your designs online, and let your shop work for you 24/7. Parents are always looking for tools to simplify their lives, and you can get paid for sharing what works for you. Tip number 2, start a blog or YouTube channel about parenting, budgeting, cooking, or family life. You don't need to be famous, just relatable and consistent. Over time, you can earn through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, all while building something meaningful. The best part? You can film during nap time, write while the kids are at school, and create content based on your everyday life. It's slower to grow, but it's powerful and fully passive once the content is out there. Tip number 3, sell your everyday family photos and videos to stock libraries. You're already taking cute photos of your kids, family meals, or backyard fun. Why not upload them to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5? Businesses, bloggers, and marketers pay for real, authentic content. Just make sure to follow guidelines and get proper permissions, especially when it involves kids. If done right, your home videos could earn you passive income for years. Tip number 4, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you already use and love as a parent, whether it's your baby monitor, stroller, homeschool supplies, or self-care items. You can share them in a blog, YouTube video, or even a private Facebook group. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission at no extra cost to them. It's perfect for parents because you're just talking about what already works in your day-to-day life. Tip number 5, teach something you know. You don't have to be an expert. If you've learned how to organize your home with 3 kids, meal prep for a family of 5, or manage screen time like a pro, that knowledge is valuable. Package it into a mini course or short ebook. You can host it on platforms like Teachable, Podia, or Amazon KDP. Once it's live, it can earn income again and again, even while you're chasing toddlers around the living room. Parenting is a full-time job, but that doesn't mean you can't build income on the side. Whether it's digital downloads, content creation, affiliate marketing, or stock media, there are family-friendly, flexible ways to build passive income from home. I've linked all the tools and resources in the description below to help you get started faster. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post every week to help people like you build smart, flexible income streams. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know in the comments. Which of these ideas could work best for your family life?